To set the file app to open .m2v files in Windows 11 Home, right-click on empty area on the desktop, and then select Personalize. Next, click on Tab Apps, and then select Default Apps. Scroll down the screen, and then tap Films and TV. Scroll down screen, find .m2v, and then tap .m2v default app. Next, select app you want to set as default to open m2v files, for example, films and TV, and then tap OK. Now, film and TV set as default app to open m2v files. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.